Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to become an approved manager here in Western Australia. Because did you know that it's law in Western Australia to have an approved manager on licensed premises at all times when business is conducted? It's a fact, and we're going to talk about what you need and how to apply. So let's get into it. Welcome back everyone, my name's Chris Farman, talking about how Job Trainer Australia can get you up and running as an approved manager in Western Australia. Now we've put together this YouTube video and there's plenty more to come just like these. So if this is your vibe, consider subscribing. Now to recap on why we're posting this video, it's because a lot of people come to us asking questions about being an approved manager in WA. So to answer them and to help you guys achieve success in becoming an approved manager, we've made it simple with an easy to follow guidance. Now, if you've come to WA as part of your traveling adventures, or you already live in this beautiful place and are looking for casual work in a bar, you can upskill from being a bar person to an approved manager, earning more dollars and increasing your job prospects. And we can show you how. Let's start by looking at who can be an approved manager. Now the course is really for anyone, maybe with a few exceptions, and you might want to check these out on the department's website. But all you need is your RSA certificate, which you can also obtain through Job Trainer Australia. You might already be working in a bar and want to move into a supervisory or duty manager position, or you might even be applying for a liquor license. In all cases, you need your approved manager certificate. This is where Job Trainer Australia comes in. Job Trainer Australia is an approved training provider of this course, approved by Racing, Gaming and Liquor and the Australian Skills Quality Authority. They offer the course online and are the most competitively priced approved provider currently in the market. Job Trainer Australia offers a free training app, assistive technology on their amazing platform, and without a doubt, unprecedented support if you need help along the way. Job Trainer Australia also supports national charities such as Bully Zero, funding bully prevention workshops nationally. So you can feel good about spending a few dollars knowing that your money is working hard, not just to give you what you need, but helping others along the way. The Approved Manager course provides skills and knowledge to manage staff and look after the day-to-day operations of the business, ensuring compliance with the provisions with the Liquor Control Act 1988. Okay, so let's get you started. All you need to do is register and enroll with Job Trainer Australia. Head to www.jta.edu.au and register. Select the Approved Manager course. Remember, if you don't have your RSA already, then select the combo RSA and Approved Manager. This will save you $21. Course information including assessment details, career pathways and much more can be found on Job Trainer Australia's website. Have a read before signing up to make sure that this is right for you. Now, there are 3 easy steps to become an approved manager. Let's take a look at these now. Step 1, enroll and start training. It's that easy. Successfully complete your training and you'll be emailed your approved manager certificate. Step 2, you'll also be required to obtain a national police clearance. This can be purchased online, so do a quick Google search and you'll find that there are plenty of companies that offer the online police clearance. If you already have one, great. Just remember, it can't be more than 3 months old. Step 3, once you have your certificate and police clearance, you'll need to complete the online application on Racing, Gaming and Liquor's website. Complete this online form and then finally take all 3 documents to Australia Post and lodge. That's it, done. Upon lodgement of these 3 documents, 1 certificate, 2 current police clearance and 3 application form, you'll immediately be considered an approved manager ready to start work that night. It will take about 3 to 4 weeks for your official red card to be mailed to you, but you don't have to wait for this card to start working in your new role as an approved manager in WA. It's that easy. Now, if you'd like to see more of these videos, subscribe. Or if you have any questions, you can call the friendly Job Trainer Australia team on 1300 020 615. Or take a look at the website www.jta.edu.au and head to the FAQ section. You might find the answer to your question. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing you online.